Dear Conny, happy birthday to you. 3 cheers for Conny's birthday. Hip hip pray, hip hip pray. Kaila, yay! DJ music.
I wish you would have done that when we was sleeping and waking me up with your happy.
Bula Binaka, everybody, welcome to another beautiful vlog of another beautiful day
Like Mr.
God has made.
Fanga.
Fangangawi. Oh, guys, today is my wife's birthday. How are you feeling today?
Normal.
Normal. Oh, so then it's better we stay home and have breakfast, pancake. Yeah, guys, we are living in our new house now in Victorf. So it's been 1 week since we moved in from the parents' house to our new house. But today is so special. It's a Sunday. We are heading to Bad Rothenfelde. There is a restaurant where you can like pay and then eat anything you want for breakfast. Especially German breakfast. So we are heading there now. Beautiful weather, beautiful sunny day. It's cold here in Germany. It's winter, but God has blessed us with this beautiful sunshine. Nakaturanga, nakatsisu.
Naka.
Okay, let's go, Toso boys. Oh wait, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thank you for this vlog, Toso boys. Guys, the eagle has landed.
The Fiji Airways.
Fiji Airways there,
Here in Bad
up on the hill.
Rothenfelde.
There. Na Fiji, na Airways.
The Fiji Airways.
Yeah, guys, sorry we were out for so long. Yeah, we were really busy, and also facing a lot of problems about some of the things that should be done in our house. But rather than that, we are healthy. Only Conny is feeling a little bit sick. Yeah, last week I was fully down. Baka na corona na mate taga bito-bito ko chaman.
Corona?
Yeah, it's like corona. It's like corona.
That was maybe Corona.
So now I'm healthy. I went back to work. Only Conny's a little bit sick. And yeah, thank you for your support and prayers. Do appreciate them. Naka. You guys, like we've been saying many times, every city in Germany that starts with Bad, B-A-D, like bed, it's a place for recovery. Ngono mabuaki na awala ko talang total nga na city at tiga total nga na ada ni city na Bad Rothenfelde.
There's only one city, which is also a Bad city,
but not recovery city.
No, but they are not calling them Bad. That is
yes.
Aachen.
Yeah.
And why is Aachen not Bad Aachen?
Why?
Because Aachen, you write it with double A-C-H-E-N. It is the first name in this the first city in the register of all cities all over Germany. And they were saying, no, we don't want to put our position down. That's why we do not take the Bad.
Yeah, because A is already the first letter in the alphabet.
Yes, and it's double A.
And it's double A.
Yeah,
so.
it's
Okay, this is the small city, guys, and many of you would recognize that the big salt wall on our past videos. We've vlogged it, so it's like a big wall made of salt water, and yeah, it's like when you breathe in air from that, it helps you heal because it's salt. Yeah, so this is the restaurant where we are coming. Oh, it's full.
Yeah, it's always full.
Yeah, it's pay and then free breakfast. Pay for all you can take.
Yeah, it's full. It's full.
Looking for kapak. There on the corner.
No,
Okay guys, my breakfast for today, which are these: sausage, scrambled egg, mozzarella, tomato, salmon, cheese, mandarin, juice. Good appetite. Guys, just finished eating. Super worth it, man. Conny, how much is? So you pay 20 euros and you take anything you want: scrambled egg, bacon, salmon, cheese, different types of dessert, porridge with like muesli, and yeah, many other German breakfast. So sit. But one thing that's like a coincidence that we did not reservate. We did not do any reservation, but in Germany everything you have to reserve. And so we came, and then Conny say, "Hey man, what if there's no space? Where we gonna go?" I said, "Yeah, it's okay. Come, God will provide." And then our house number is 15. So when we came, the restaurant was so full, but there was an empty table for 2 people, and the table number is 15. Man, it's just, you know, like a miracle, man. The whole restaurant was full, and when we asked, "Do you have space?" "Oh, sure, yeah." So thank God for that. You know, that's why we always say, like, it's important to put God first. Wake up in the morning, pray, let God provide for everything. Yeah. So now we finished breakfast. Now we are heading to our next spot where we'll begin our journey or big hike today. Let's go, Tosobos. Okay, guys. So now it's dessert time. Banana skinny cake, coffee, and yogurt, and mole. So guys, this is the big salt wall. First time I saw it, I thought it was the Noah's Ark. Yeah, so after a great and wonderful breakfast, what's our plan now, my love?
we are going now for hiking.
Oi! So it's a 55-minute drive to the location. Yeah, and then we'll let you guys know the name of the location. If you're in Germany, you can try. Let's go. Toso boys, walu teman-teman mamam. Okay guys, we are here in Paderborn. This is where the hike will take place. mai Navika keve Natakali mai Hosani kaloe natunde Nambula ongo Tena otimai Otimai Ora burango Ena rusamai Rusamai Mekango na veika keve Nate kalimai Hosa ni kalo ena tunde Oh ena otima Nonda tani Ena otima Nabuto Ena mama Damai na idola dola Linda kautama Beitisu Ena otima Inonda tangi Ena otima Inabuto We are almost there, guys. 8 minutes away. We are here, guys, in Horn.
250 Metern haben Sie das Ziel erreicht.
Das vorn.
Yes, station. Get some water and
Sie
fuel.
haben das Ziel erreicht. Das Ziel befindet sich auf der rechten Straßenseite.
We are here, guys. Look at this lake, is frozen. Man, it's full. To pay for your kapak. Okay guys, now we are starting our hike. So before you start, you can get some water and maps from here. This location. Go to the toilet, restaurants are here. And yeah. So we are using this app, Komoot. So let's see the big map. So we chose the hike, which is 1 hour. 1 hour what? 2 hours 20 minutes. So it's the big here. We'll try to go here. Extensteiner. Some of the ancient sport. Okay.
But why is it not like
That's small lake, guys. You can see it's frozen. Man, that house must be so lucky they can jump and swim. Beautiful weather here in Paderborn. because it's winter, the road is a little bit wet. Yep, but all is good. This is things to experience about. Guys, the nature here is just fantastic. So beautiful. So now we are going closer to the edge of the neighborhood here. But yeah, so far we've walked 2.16 kilometer, and this place here, the height is 300 meters above sea level. Yeah, so far so good. Okay guys, we are heading to Falkenberg. So we were up on that high mountain and then came down across this neighborhood, and now we're taking this trek. So now we've covered 2.88 kilometers. So we're going to Falkenberg. It's one of the ancient sites here in this area in Horn, near Paderborn. Okay, so far so good. How's the hike?
Good. So far, so good.
Super. Yeah, because it's winter, so the road is here a little bit muddy, but we have the shoes for that. Yeah, it's good to reconnect our body back to nature, you know, because we were made from nature, from the ground, from the dust, from the soil. So it's so good to reconnect back, get some energy from the trees. Okay, those are boys. Guys, we are here at Falkenberg, there, up in the mountain. Kings fighting the Vikings. Yeah. Okay, let's check it out. So this is 4.65 kilometers from where we started, the distance. And if you have this app, Komoot app, you can see exactly the route, because I'm recording it right now. Guys, one of the last castles still standing. Look at the view. So we are 900 meters above sea level. This place. Look at, I don't know, is that for water? Conny, what does it say? So here guys, this is where the animals drink. Donkey na lion na tiger na buffalo. Yeah. It's a big well here, ancient well. Man, I just cannot imagine how it is like in those years, you know, when they are fighting. Man, you can see another castle up in the far away mountains here. How is it?
Super.
Grazie. So guys, this is the main entrance. No, this is, yeah, that's the main entrance. So the chariot, they come down this way. Those ancient times. Yeah. Look at the views, guys. I don't know which city is that. Victor Mesamba Vidal. Yeah. You want one lolly for coffee? Yeah. Must be a room here. Yes, many of the things are damaged. Karo aminda tumeroma. See, look at this room is under the ground. Yeah, where you can spy your enemy. Yeah, secret tunnels. Yeah, just jump down. Check out this underground room. Wait, yeah, for spy your enemy and fresh air comes in. So this is the room. Look at the holes, guys. So you can run away there if the enemy is coming inside. Quando vinda kan pleka boys eh. So live rango ni maybe tingo ho. Yeah, another tunnels here, guys. Small entrance. Yeah, so I walked that way with Conny. No, here. No, the other side, because we could not see this place while we were coming.
Where can we go out?
Same place? Yeah. So all the rooms are like underground there. So you can see the steps coming down. So big room. It's all underground. You know what's behind this wall? Maybe some treasure. This is where you can escape the enemy. Conny! You cannot go out. Cannot go out. To go back. Hey. I don't want to get stuck here. Don't climb here. Oh yeah, no wonder there. Guys, if you living near Paderborn, we would highly recommend this place. So beautiful, man. Just come chill. Huh?
Holzhausen.
Okay, so guys, that's Holzhausen.
That's where we went to the
Fueling station.
Yeah, almost.
Where we bought water. Yeah, so now we are heading back, and also we have a last spot which we saved for the last. What's the name of the stone? Extend Stein.
Extend and Steine like stone.
Yeah, extend like extending, and Steine is stone. Yeah. And just imagine these roads, guys. This is where the horses are running and the chariot. Some of the castles here in Germany still stands, like still super in good conditions. But the one which we just showed you guys, it's like people cannot live there anymore. Only if you can come and do your camping or something, but it's not allowed. Yeah, no loud music, no making fire. Okay, I think another 30 minutes walk to the next beautiful spot. It's a big statue of somebody. I don't know, Napoleon? I don't know. Beautiful place, man. And if I would live here, it will be my route for running, man. Benar-benar road run di Zimbabwe. So this is the small room where they hide and shoot reindeer. For the hunters. Okay guys, we are here back on the track where we first started. So where we parked our car, where we started the hiking, it is near to this stone statue, but we took a big round so that we save that spot for the last. But yeah, finally we are taking the same nearby route. so that we see that famous statue. Many of you would, if you follow Leni, the famous German girl YouTuber, yeah, she already vlogged this area.
Leni Weise.
Leni what?
Weise. You can follow
Weise.
her. You can follow her. It's quite
Yeah,
interesting.
subscribe to her channel. She's
Yeah.
so nice.
She's doing nice content.
She's traveling a lot, man. She has money. Getting closer. Guys, we are getting closer. Man. Tangaliwa ivango randu tangera tu akina na male. Anduna na bo. There I can see the rock. Links. I can see the rocks. No, we go Rex. Yeah. Because the lake is in the middle, we cannot cross the lake. There, see those rocks? So that is where we are going. Yeah, guys, you can see on the far distance the rocks formation, man. So this is natural. They didn't build it, it's natural. They use it for war in the olden days. Also this road, chariots and horses are running this way. Yeah guys, it's so amazing, so beautiful. But I heard that they closed, we cannot climb up because they are renovating it. The road, not the road, the steps up are so dangerous. Here, look at this rock, it's almost falling.
I went here already up one time.
Eh? Wait, Conny has been here already. So you have this place also, so you can climb on this rock, that rock, and the big one is this side. Look at how beautiful this place is. Amazing, man. Just want to go up there. Yeah, they closed it. They are renovating this place. So we can just watch from down here. But guys, check out Leni's YouTube channel. She vlogged this place here. She went up. Yeah. Big holes. Yeah guys, we would highly recommend this place. Yes, maybe next time you guys will come here. Then the mountain climbing area would be open again. Yeah, we cannot go to the statue of that old warrior because it's 88 kilometers away. Hey, they have wild pigs here. Wild swine. So, bertangan ako sila. Taman yun, sira. Guys, that's one thing I'm so like kaidolo here in Germany. The breed, the horse breed here in Germany. Sa taman yun sila lip saras. No, the horse breed in Germany. They are so huge. No wonder Germany is very good in the Olympic in horse riding, in jumping, because the horses
in Fiji that are all poor horses because they're just standing beside the house, like with the rope. They cannot go left and right. They can just do this, eat from the floor, have nothing to eat because all is dry. So that's why there are no huge horses.
This girl is very good in making feedbacks and commenting.
Yeah, you have to train them. Then they will grow and be pretty, but not in Fiji, like where they are like in, I don't know.
By German horses, guys.
That's why they say in Germany, horses, if you have a horse, is so expensive. This is one of the most expensive sport activity you can have in Germany. If you're riding a horse, like really as a sport activity.
Also, this place is so full. See, people are just tourists are just coming. Yeah, just pay for your car parks. Everything is free. Yeah, we are back here on our starting point. We went this way, guys. So we're back here. So, what would you say? How long was our hike? How long? How many kilometers?
2.5 hours.
2.5 hours walk. How many kilometers? I would say 8 kilometers. 10 kilometers. Let's go. Okay guys, we are here back in the car. We are heading to a nearby restaurant to grab some bites. Celebrate this beautiful girl's birthday. Guys, we are here in Gütersloh to grab some things for dinner, something for dinner. Yeah, so this is the famous Turkish restaurant which we always come and eat there a lot. Yes, this one just on the roadside opposite the main train station. Yep. And yeah, let's check it out. Ameni. So guys, we already ordered our food, but this is just like some snack where we'll start off before the main is coming. Na Fanta, na mezzo mix, no beer.
Sunday.
Yeah, today is Sunday, no beer, only grog. Guys, look at this plate. We have some, I think, doner meat here, lamb, mushrooms, tomato, paprika, hummus, salad, and Conny, what you have? Mozzarella,
lamb with dough and tomato sauce and rice.
Nice. Let's dive in. Okay guys, now we are heading back home. Home sweet home. Alabama. Man, food was delicious, man. Food was really delicious and worth it. Super big amount, man. Look at that big plate. Only the bones is left. How was the food? How was the
Nice.
plate?
But now I'm tired of eating.
Yeah. Now we need hot coffee. Okay, leaving Gütersloh, bound for Fichthof. Thank Mudia Drive.